In this tutorial, we will show you how to easily install and remove an inflatable seal. To begin, you will need a suitable plastic tool, or tire lever. Do not use screwdrivers, scissors, knives or spanners, as these can damage or puncture the seal. To install the seal, first, find the inflation valve, and insert it into the hole in the housing. Gently lay the rest of the seal in position. Use the plastic tool to help tuck the first part of the seal into the housing. Next, find the opposite side of the housing, and tuck the seal in. By working across the seal this way, we ensure the seal doesn't get stretched, while evenly distributing the seal around the housing. Now, working in a diametric order, continue to tuck in the seal until it is fully seated in the retainer. To remove a seal, if you can locate and access the inflation valve, use the plastic tool to push the valve up, and carefully work out that edge, using a plastic tool to help lever the edge. If you cannot locate the inflation valve, use two lever tools, slightly spaced apart to work out an edge. Continue to work around the housing, lifting the seal as you go.